Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I'm here once again with 2024 31-day Smashbook Challenge. We are on day 15, and the prompt is, if I won the lottery. What would you guys do if you won the lottery? I think about this often. I'll tell you what I would do. Right here. Ready? If I won the lottery, I wouldn't tell anybody. Not one person. Because then you'd have the people come out of the woodworks because they find out you have money. So I wouldn't tell anybody. I'd just wait a while and then just live like naturally, like me and Scott live now. Maybe tell our kids down the road, but not immediately. I would set up trust funds for college educations for all three of my grandchildren. I would probably pay off my son's house and give Diamond the same amount that I paid off my son's house. But at the initial, I wouldn't tell one person. So that's what I would do if I won the lottery. Oh, and I would put a lot of money away so Scott can retire permanently. That should be number one. Scott would retire. Then we'd figure out what to do with the rest. So, as always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. And bye for now. And I'm going to go buy a lottery ticket.